Hey guys, Spencer at Z1. Today we're going to take a look at our track big brake kit. All right, so many of you familiar, Z1, we've got all the options, right? We've got you on style of rotor, one piece, two piece. We've got brake pads from street all the way to competition level. We've got brake upgrades that range from mild size and two piece upgrades. Big popular kits, our Ford Street kit, and at the top of our performance ladder, we've got our competition kit. Now we're bringing something to you right in the middle there, above the Ford Street kit, below the price of the competition kit, and it brings a ton of brake performance for the value. So let's get into it. Every track big brake kit from Z1 is going to feature our R35 inspired 380 millimeter, that's 15-inch rotor. They're all two-piece. We have fitments for the front, fitments for the rear on all our 350, 370 Q models. Each rotor features our track tested and proven directional vane, 48 vane cooling design, and front sets will come with a progressive piston array. You get freaking sick vented steel pistons up front. They're a monoblock caliper, so extremely rigid, and we use a radial mount bracket that's specific for each model. Kits will have options for you for brake pads if you're looking for something to just street and keep it quiet, lower dust, reduce the chance of noise, all the way up the echelon from sport to outright track day, upgrades. Kits are available in these awesome finishes. You can get this freaking awesome tarmac black that we're so happy with, this red, and the yellow. I think that's what I'm gonna do, the yellow. It just looks freaking so sick under a wheel. And we try to keep these in stock and ready to go. If you guys have questions about these kits, what's the right one for me? Which pad do I need? Which fluid do I need? Just give our team a call. Otherwise, everything's gonna come in the kit. Brackets, hardware, lines, fluid, everything you need. Get yours today, z1motorsports.com.